Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Maverick Indicators here. So we're in a nice, simple, tiny little trade here. Just four micros on ES. And why are we in this trade? Let me walk you through here real quick because I don't think we're going to get a super long trend here today. It's a Friday. You know that most traders lose money on a Friday and we don't want to do that. So first things first, what are we doing here? We have a green background, okay? Green background, which is telling us the trend already. So we're going to look at this top panel. I'll explain this bottom panel in a little bit here. But we're looking at this top panel, green background. We have bright green candles. Bright green candles is your strongest upside candle, okay? Pink is your strongest downside candle. If you've ever looked at a candle and you're like, man, I don't know what's going on with this candle. Is it strong? Is it not? Is it weak or whatever? Other than the size of it, let the Maverick AI Pro tell you, pink, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. Look at this thing. And then when you see bright green, that is very, very strong to the upside. And you see that we're only in 4 micros. I'm only making $1.25 per tick per contract. I mean, that's nothing, right? Okay. And we just broke $200. So we have bright green candles, green background. We are above the Maverick guide. This blue line right here is the Maverick guide. We go long when we're above the Maverick guide, and we go short when we're below the Maverick guide, this blue line. And I could show you this all day long, folks, okay? Short when you're below the Maverick guide, long when you're above it. Short when you're below the blue line, long when you're above it. Short when you're below the blue line, long when you're above it. Now, this is kind of late night off hours trading, but you get the point, okay? So why are we in this trade? Green background, bright green candles. We stack probability in our favor, right? Bright green candles, strong upside momentum. We had a couple of up confidence arrows, okay? We're above the Maverick guide. You can see where my stop is. That's my line in the sand. We're above the blue line. We go short when we're below the blue line. We go long when we're above it. Can't make it any simpler. My Maverick trender down here, my Maverick trender is green and pegged to the top. When you get these flat tops, this is what we like. And my Maverick trender is showing strength and momentum. It's pegged to the top. It can't go any further. It's also giving me a label of an uptrend, which is beautiful, right? I don't have to look at 9,000 screens. I can just look at my Maverick trender and go, uptrend, pegged to the top, okay? And just to show you guys, if you took this from the peak here to the peak here, that went from where? That went from here up to, well, let's see, you didn't get the full move. Let's say just here. That is 67.23. Oh my gosh, it's almost a $30 move. It's about a $29 move. So a $29 move on ES, 29 times 4 times $12.50. That is a $1,400 move. Just this top to this top. Then the Maverick AI Pro showed you bright green candles or green candles into bright green candles. You were above your blue line Maverick guide. You would have taken this trade. And you had 1, 2 confidence arrows. It's unbelievable, right? So we have a green background, bright green candles, strongest upside candle. We're above the Maverick guide, this blue line. Our Maverick trender is completely pegged. And by the way, the Maverick trender, you can't buy this indicator. We gave it to our, we're starting to get a confidence arrow in and out. We give it to our lifetime members. It's for free for our lifetime members. I would never trade without my Maverick trender. And then my Maverick Multi-X. This chart down here is 5 traders. They're all algorithms, but think of this like 5 traders across 6 time frames. And I have my time frame set at the 1 minute to the 1 hour. Instead of having 6 charts on your screen, most people can barely trade 1 chart. Why are you going to have 6 charts on your screen? Let the Maverick AI Pro show you all 6 time frames, and you can add a 7th, and you can change these time frames. And then trade, I call this trading with training wheels. 5 traders, all independent with a different style, different biases and everything. They're all voting across 6 time frames. So you literally have 30 votes. So right now we have 28 out of 30 votes. All these 5 traders are all voting across 6 time frames. bullish, okay? So this is how we stack probability, okay? Green background, bright green candle, strongest to the upside, up confidence arrows, right? We're above our Maverick guide. Remember, when we're above our Maverick guide, we go long. When we're below the blue line, we go short, right? Maverick trender is pegged to the top, showing strength and momentum. We have an uptrend label. And then our 5 traders across 6 time frames are mostly bullish, solid green. And this is how you stack probability in your favor. This is how you get clear vision. This is also how you don't get stuck in bad trades. The other thing I'll show you is the Maverick Bear Bull. If I can pull it up here, I wanted to hide it for it. I didn't want you to get confused. This is an indicator that our lifetime members are going to be getting in probably about 2 weeks. We're just finishing up the TradingView version of it. And look at this. As long as I'm above the cloud and I have green candles, I'm long, baby, because this is looking at price, essentially consideration of price. So this is looking at order flow. This is looking at a lot of things. So when I have a green candles here and I'm above the green cloud, and then I have green background, bright green candles, we're above the Maverick guide, my Maverick trender is pegged, and I'm green across all these time frames, baby, I'm getting in. I am getting in and I'm going to get paid. Okay. So this is just an indicator that I'm going to be giving to my lifetime members as a thank you. I have been crushing it with it. Look at this. This flush down pink candles, price and consensus is telling us more sellers than buyers. We're below this cloud. We're below the Maverick guide. Maverick trender was pegged to the top. I mean, you could have ridden this whole thing down, right? Okay. But let me hide this because I don't want you to, it's not released yet, all right? So listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want these are the indicators, I keep saying it, but these are the indicators I wish I had when I first started trading. It would have saved me a lot of heartache, right? If you want clear vision, if you want to stack probability in your favor, we show you how to use them. Watch our other videos, not financial advice, do your own research, but come check us out, MaverickIndicators.com. Read the reviews from our traders. So many of them are crushing it straight out of the box. Now, I'm not saying that's going to be your results. Every trader is different, emotions, all that stuff. But come check us out. Do your own research. Come read the reviews. Come read what our traders are saying. I'm only in 4 micros. I'm making $1.25 a tick per contract. I'm up $250. It's crazy. I probably, anyway. This is insane. So come check us out, MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. We would love, love, love to help you crush it.